We are back on Cape Breton for a day. We've been missing it a lot, so we're gonna do one of our favorite hikes. This is Tenerife Mountain behind me. It is very steep, probably take you about 30 to 45 minutes to hike up it, and maybe 20 to get back down. We were gonna camp on it tonight, but actually we're getting a heat pump installed tomorrow morning, so we're gonna have to run home. We're gonna stay up there tonight for a little bit and get some starry night shots, hopefully. And we have the dogs with us this time. Skylar has sleeping bags in there and a bunch of cooking stuff because we're gonna stay up there until midnight probably. Toby threw up in the car. Thank you, Toby. So you can't miss the trailhead because there's a big cone.
This is super light.
Is it?
Yeah, it's literally just a sleeping bag, 2 sleeping bags.
Mine's heavy. This trail is also very well marked now, so it's very unlikely you will get lost, even in the wintertime. It's very well flagged. And when we did this a few years ago, you kind of get off course, but not anymore. Don't worry about that. Only about 10 minutes in. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Sweaty though.
Sweaty?
Don't worry, my socks are too warm.
This is a good example of how steep it is. Gotta use your hands.
How you always have to have your eyes on the ground on this one. But then you also have to look up because there's all like tree limbs and stuff that'll take you out if not. See, if your head was down, you get.
We're at the top, and then you go up this way to the end of it. But you can also go up here for a better view or a different view. Pretty amazing.
Probably top 3 favorite views in all of Cape Breton, in all of Nova Scotia. Well, sunset was amazing. Like bonkers amazing.
And now we wait for the stars.
You always gotta wait around till after the sun actually sets because sometimes the sky pops and it was so pink and so orange and purple and it was so beautiful. Now we have the moon and we have like a glow from the moon as well. And it looks like these clouds are pushing that way and there's a clear sky behind us, so we're hoping the stars will be good. She talks to us. I don't know if anybody knows that, but she's talking.
All right, for tonight's dinner we are having Camp Cook's Cash, mushroom risotto, and happy yak. Oh, I thought it was pad thai, but it's shrimp curry with rice. And the dogs are having dog food. Cool. What are you doing, man? Like, you're all up in my space. That's a water bottle. What do you... That can't be comfortable. Jet oil going. We got the sleeping bags out. Dogs are having supper. This is great, man.
It's so good. My headlight stopped working.
You must think we're crazy. Well, first video we ever made of Tenerife, we started it in the dark and came up for sunrise. And everybody that we've met that's watched that video has said, these crazy people are doing it in the dark.
And that was our first time ever doing it too. Like, that was pretty ballsy on our behalf.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is good. This feels good. I'm so cozy right now. Like, we brought the sleeping bag because originally we were gonna camp, but I was like, well, let's take it up because it's gonna get cold and we gotta wait for the stars.
Not sure if the camera's picking that up, but there's coyotes right down there. Oh, Toby's picking it up. You hear them? They're so crazy. Pretty good risotto? I really liked it.
It's really, really good.
Toby is so grumpy. Come on. We're gonna go. We made it. Just a quick trip up Tenerife. Thanks for watching. Just a quick video.
Just a really quick video. We wanted to camp. We wanted to go on more adventures, but we're doing the adult thing and getting a heat pump installed in our house. So, I mean, I guess that is important, and we do have to go home to meet the guy tomorrow morning. Hope you come explore Tenerife. It is not an easy hike. It's not too difficult, but bring good footwear and be prepared to climb up some rocks and then enjoy an amazing view. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, it's me. Is that song by Adele? No. You like the song? Hello? No.
This is me you're looking for?
Oh.
You can't have.
You can't have it. It's attached to the ground.